Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. 954-684-1375 is how you reach Mike to find out about this beautiful 2007 Sea Ray 38. Wait for it, with diesels. The only one in the U.S. market with the diesels. Isinglass is in nice shape. They've done U-zips. Blue hull. Let's get aboard this beauty. Alright, the 38 Dancer was unique with its center entry door, storage cabinets on both sides, a large built-in swim platform. Side decks are easily accessed from either side to the bow. White upholstery with blue piping on this boat. This boat does have cockpit air, and we appreciate that in Florida. Nice hardtop with a hard frame bimini coming out here. There is a hatch in the hardtop, overhead lights and speakers. Coming down on the port side, you have your entertainment center. I'm going to have a fridge behind that slotted door. There's my sink, storage underneath, and another big storage locker forward of the door here. There's my controls for my AC, and I can tell you that vent is blowing nicely. You'll see another one over there by the helm, and there's one that blows on the back seat. The Sea Ray glove box. This boat does have a Raymarine E120 and a Sea Ray Navigator. They are both kaput, so you will be looking at electronics. You do have a functioning autopilot. You do have a functioning, beautiful side power bow thruster, and a fairly new ICOM command mic VHF. Tilt helm, remote control spotlight, trim tabs, pull for your automatic fixed fire extinguisher. This is the defunct mouse for the old Navigator. Beautiful stainless steel windshield on this boat. Whoever takes care of it does a nice job. No stains, no pitting, no issues like that. Let's go on inside. First off, on these 38s, you see the beautiful wood steps. The inside of this boat shows little to no wear. I'm shocked. This is an original owner boat, 2007. Big mid cabin. Little opening vent. They have a TV and DVD. There's those beautiful stairs. Under counter you have a big refrigerator. And then they've replaced the freezer with a glass door refrigerator with the wine racks. Above is your Panasonic microwave convection oven and a DVD player for the salon TV, which cleverly folds out of the ceiling right there. Beautiful dark galley countertops along with whole side windows and a 2-burner stove. Lots of drawers for storage here in the galley, as well as a big storage locker under the sink. Alright, they made a custom table for the cockpit. Wood table, kind of interesting, not to my taste, which I'm putting away right now. This couch will pull out to sleep one. The pearl wood table is absolutely gorgeous, in excellent condition. All the blinds are beautiful. The raffia is nice. Carbon monoxide detectors. Your master's forward. Nice big island berth. Hanging lockers on both sides. One head in this boat, but the shower is completely separate on the other side. The nice dark vanities, mirrored medicine chest, and vacuum flush head. Alright, that concludes our tour of this beautiful diesel 38 Sea Ray Sundancer. Call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax. Thanks.